Welcome friends. Today, in this video, Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale, in-depth comprehensive review, and benefits of Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale. Etekcity Kitchen Scale is an essential tool for anyone who loves cooking or baking. It is a device that measures the weight of ingredients used in preparing meals or baked goods. Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is one of the most important tools in a chef's arsenal because it ensures accuracy in ingredient measurement, which is crucial in achieving consistent results in cooking and baking. Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is a must-have for anyone who takes cooking or baking seriously. It is particularly useful for those who are into baking because baking is a science that requires precise measurements to get the best results. Using Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale helps bakers achieve the perfect balance of ingredients, ensuring their baked goods are of the highest quality. It is also great for those who want to control their portion sizes and manage their diets. Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is a useful tool for measuring the weight of ingredients in cooking and baking. Here are some benefits of using a food kitchen scale. Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale provides accuracy. A kitchen scale provides precise measurements of ingredients, which is especially important in baking where accurate measurements can affect the final outcome of the recipe. Consistency. Using a kitchen scale ensures that ingredients are measured consistently each time, which can help achieve consistent results when making a recipe multiple times. Time saving. Measuring ingredients by weight with a kitchen scale can be quicker and less messy than using measuring cups or spoons. Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale provides portion control. A kitchen scale can be helpful for tracking portion sizes and controlling calorie intake, which can be important for those watching their weight or trying to eat a balanced diet. Versatility. A kitchen scale can be used for measuring a variety of ingredients, including liquids, solids, and powders. Overall, a Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is a versatile and accurate tool that can make cooking and baking easier, more efficient, and more precise. Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is also useful for portion control. Portion control is essential for managing your diet and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Using a kitchen scale can help you measure the right amount of food, ensuring that you are not overeating or consuming too little. It is particularly useful for those who are on a strict diet or have specific nutritional requirements. When choosing a food kitchen scale, it is important to consider the type of scale that best suits your needs. There are two types of kitchen scales available: digital and analog. Digital scales are more accurate and easier to read than analog scales, but they require batteries and are more expensive. Analog scales are less expensive and do not require batteries, but they are less accurate and can be more challenging to read. When using a food kitchen scale, it is important to use it correctly. First, make sure the scale is on a flat surface and is calibrated correctly. Place the container on the scale and zero it out before adding any ingredients. Then, add the ingredients slowly, making sure to measure the exact weight required. In conclusion, a Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale is an essential tool for anyone who loves cooking or baking. It provides precise measurements, saves time, and helps with portion control. When choosing a kitchen scale, it is important to consider the type of scale that best suits your needs and to use it correctly. Whether you are a professional chef or a home cook, a food kitchen scale is a valuable investment that can help you achieve perfect results in the kitchen.